Okay, now today we are going to use pictures in Synfig. Now to bring an image on your canvas from Caret, file option is there and then import. Okay, this is one way, and then locate that file. For example, I have kept one folder on desktop that is sample images. From here, I am taking one picture, the first one, and I am clicking on open. I can see that one image is inserted. So as soon as we insert one image in layers, we will get that layer created here. Okay, now we are taking another file. So earlier we have seen that file, then import option is there from Caret. Now there is one shortcut key, that is Control and I. Okay, Control plus I also is shortcut key. Second image I am taking, that is landscape. Second image, this one. Now one more I am taking. Fourth one. And one more I'm taking here. Okay, now I have inserted 5 different images. So you can see that here in layers you have 5 images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But which one is visible? Which is on the top? The last layer that we have inserted. That is this one. Now when you click on all these layers, you will get one border around the image. This is what actually what is visible here, the part of image, that is the size of your canvas. And this frame which you can see here, that is actual image size. So we have to resize these images according to canvas size. So for that we are dragging these handles towards canvas borders. So like this. Now this is actual image size. Now the whole image is visible on canvas. Okay, this way we have to resize. This is the second one. Now this is the last image that I am going to resize here. Okay, I can see here This is layer number 1. When I make it invisible, okay, you will able to see image behind that layer. When I deselect the second one, you will get third image. This is the fourth one. This is fourth one, and this is the last. That is your canvas only. So this is the image that is at the bottom. So the only topmost layer is visible. So now we want to make it like a slideshow. Okay. So for example, what we are doing, we are setting visibility of all these layer 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this that visibility we are keeping for 2 seconds. That means the first layer will be visible for 2 seconds. This 2 seconds of first layer is over. At that time, it will become invisible, and then the next layer will become visible. Now in parameter panel, we are going to set the properties of visibility. File, panels, params, that is parameter. Okay. Now double click on this amount. Now we are setting this blend method straight for all this. Click on that image layer. From here in parameters, take straight instead of composite. Now here in amount, select the first layer, go to amount, right click on it, convert, then time swap. Okay, select this time swap. Now click on this triangle before this amount, and here you will get different options before and after. And the time by default it is 2 seconds. Okay, that means visibility of this layer is 2 seconds. And before this 2 second, that is from 0 to 2 second, this is visibility, that is before 1, and after make it 0. That means after 2 second, visibility will become 0 for first layer. Same thing do in second layer. Amount, right click, convert, time swap, and then click on this triangle before 1, after 0. Now here one more thing we have to do. Since the first layer is visible to 2 seconds, here we are supposed to make it 4. Because when first layer was visible at that time, this layer was there, second layer, but it was not visible. But as soon as that first layer will disappear, that is after 2 seconds, then third and fourth second, again the second layer is visible. So after 2 seconds, that is third and fourth second, we will get this layer on screen. Then third layer, amount, right click, convert, time swap. And here before 1, after 0 for everyone, every layer. Then here we are keeping this time for 6 seconds. That is for 5th and 6th second, this will become visible. Then the fourth layer, amount, right click, convert, time swap, and from here before 1, after 0. When we set it after 0, then only it will disappear from the screen. Now earlier up to 6 second our animation is done. So now this time we are giving as 8 seconds. So in 7th and 8th second we will get this image on screen. Then This one, amount, right click, convert, time swap. Okay, go here, after make it 0, and this is make it 10. Okay, now we are going to see this preview. Play it. I'm getting preview again because the time set was for 5 seconds only. So we got that animation of 5 seconds. That is two images only. Now second image, third image, fourth image, and this is the last image. Okay, so this is how you can create a slideshow using Synfig.